ห่วงแล้วด้วยนะเราจะไปส่งความรักให้กับแบบถึงที่เลยนะกับเจ้าฮีโร่และซุปเปอร์แมนของเรานะครับสองของเราโซนสุดท้ายกันแล้วทักทายกันหน่อยครับสวัสดีครับไปกันต่อนะครับไม่รอแล้วนะฮะเพราะสวัสดีของเราถึงต้องรอกันอยู่เลยนะฮะเดินทางมาถึงตรงกลางสวัสดีของเรากันแบบนี้ครับแล้วของเราอยากจะเซฟแทนกับทุกท่านสักหน่อยครับยอดเยี่ยมจริงๆปรบมือวันนี้เรามีความน่ารักของเราโอ้โหเสิร์ฟว่าความรักให้กับเทรนเนอร์สาวสวยของเรากันด้วยนะครับรู้หนักจริงๆ Please one more time Our show is ending and our sales will always love you. ขอบคุณทุกท่านมาก
collaborative insects in the world. Each hive is comprised of thousands of bees working together in order to build and sustain a colony. Within the colony, each bee has a specific role to play, a job, if you will. These are jobs like foraging for food, tending to young larvae, and building a honeycomb. But with a brain about the size of a sesame seed, it begs the question, how do bees know what specific job they need to do in order to keep balance in the hive? The answer is written into the genetic makeup of each bee. And it starts with the queen bee, who has the unique ability to designate the sex of her children, which plays a pivotal role in their future. If the queen wants to lay a female egg, they have a singular job. That job is to mate with queens from other colonies to propagate the species. When they're not trying to mate, they eat leisurely from the honey reserves and wait for a queen to go on her nuptial flight. Female bees, or worker bees, do literally everything else. They keep the cells clean, care for the larvae, build cells, tend to the queen, store honey, forage, pollinate, guard the nest, and even feed male bees honey if they're begging for it. Each bee knows what to do because their hormones activate the part of their genetic makeup that tells them what jobs they have to tackle and when they have to tackle them. They go through 4 phases of jobs before dying. In phase 1, bees go to work immediately after they emerge from metamorphosis, about 3 weeks after they're born. They begin cleaning the cells from which they emerged. After about 3 days, their hormones shift them into nurse bee mode. In this job, they feed the young brood that succeeds them. This lasts for about a week. Then phase 3 kicks in, and the workers become general handymen, moving farther away from the center of the hive and doing things like building honeycomb, storing food, and guarding the nest entrances. This lasts about a week. The final phase is the most dangerous. It's the foraging phase, where workers leave the nest to find pollen to bring home and feed the colony. This phase starts around day 41 and lasts until about day 50. After a short life of constant work, most workers will leave the nest as death approaches. The corpses of those that die inside the hive are carried out by undertaker bees. It's a thankless life for the worker bee, but this collaboration and process has made them one of the most successful superorganisms in nature.
Introduction to Biophysics. Have you ever wondered how the building blocks of life come together to form complex organisms? And how cells communicate with each other to perform vital functions in the body? If you think so, then you're interested in biophysics. Let's see its definition. Biophysics is the study of the physical principles that underlie living systems. It's a field that combines biology, physics, and mathematics to understand the mechanisms of life at the molecular and cellular level. One of the main tools of biophysics is computational modeling, which allows scientists to simulate the behavior of molecules and proteins in a cell. Biophysicists also use experimental techniques to study the structure and function of biological molecules, such as X-ray crystallography, NMR spectroscopy, and electron microscopy. Through these methods, biophysicists can uncover the physical properties that make life possible, such as the forces that hold proteins together, the mechanisms that enable cells to move and divide, and the electrical signals that allow neurons to communicate. One of the most exciting areas of biophysics is the study of biomolecules in action. By measuring and modeling the movement of proteins, biophysicists can uncover the complex mechanisms that drive cellular processes, such as DNA replication, protein synthesis, and signal transduction. Biophysicists also use cutting-edge techniques such as laser tweezers and single-molecule imaging to study the behavior of individual molecules in real time. The insights gained from biophysics research have far-reaching applications, from developing new drugs and therapies to designing more efficient energy technologies. So if you're fascinated by the fundamental mysteries of life, and if you're excited about the potential for science to make a difference in the world, then biophysics might just be the field for you.